Hello everyone, I am Runal Lalwani, a proud alumnus of Sacred Heart School and currently pursuing a bachelor's in aerospace engineering at IIT Bombay. And if they've shown you my photo in a spacesuit, believe me, I'm the same person. I understand that you all have gathered here for a virtual astronomy camp, quite possibly the first of its kind and indeed a great initiative by the school. Majority of you here are in the primary section and might not be familiar with the underlying aspects of astronomy. Might have the question, what's so special about astronomy? As it turns out, there's a lot of stuff. I mean, who wouldn't want to know what a star looks like when it explodes? Or what bizarre stuff goes inside a black hole? Or, to be more significant, the existence of our universe, or how a planet Earth came into being. I was in 5th grade when I first got introduced to astronomy, and it always seemed like I was doing something interesting other than the normal schoolwork. And isn't that the reason why we're here? Right from the 5th grade, we at Sacred Heart School were introduced how to use telescopes, had astronomy camps which involved stargazing, observing planets, and meteor showers, and we had great fun doing so. The astronomy camps organized by the school are still fresh in my memory and truly unforgettable experiences. I still remember keeping track of the number of meteors you saw during the Geminid shower, which used to be conducted somewhere in December, and then find out who got to see the most number of meteors. We also modeled our own RC airplanes, drones in various workshops and flew them here in the campus. These projects not only gave us good technical skills, but also the experience of working as a team and bonding with our classmates. And it is a great feeling always when you achieve something together. And trust me, you will also have a great time having these experiences. Personally, for me, what further fueled my interest in astronomy was a trip to NASA. Even though it was just a day long trip, but when you see a full sized aircraft right in front of you, you get intrigued as to how this thing even flies. I also had the privilege of having lunch with an astronaut, and some of the experiences of outer space that he talked about at that time still fascinate me a lot. Now, to pursue aerospace engineering at IIT Bombay, which I had always been fond of, seems like a childhood dream come true. And when I see some of the things that you people are being taught in school, like Blender, 3D printing, or other simulation softwares, I'm truly amazed. Even I want to build a rocket at my home, which I understand you guys will be doing shortly. And now I understand why my seniors at school always felt that they were passing out too soon. And so do I. But I guess that the innovation just doesn't stop. And these are extremely useful things that you guys are learning. क्योंकि academic level math science तो सब लोग कर लेते हैं. And that's also very important, don't get me wrong there. But these are the skills that would distinguish you from your peers in your professional life. And we are very fortunate to have our very own planetarium, the Sky Dome, where we as students spent many hours exploring space. Our batch was one of the first quote unquote inhabitants of the Sky Dome. And when I say inhabitants, I literally mean it. You could just live there gazing at the dome above. I still remember the first thing that was said in my first ever astronomy class by Aurobindo sir, which was to be curious. And believe me, it can take people places. If you are keen enough to explore the night sky, please do so, and who knows, one day you might have a planet named after yourself. To conclude, I take this opportunity to thank Albin sir, Vinita ma'am, Aurobindo sir, and the entire Sacred Heart team to provide me an opportunity to speak about my fascination towards astronomy and making Sacred Heart School the only school to provide such new age technologies and facilities. And I encourage you students to make the most of it. Thank you.